Welcome to Oryx Learning. Today's lesson is on Unit 8, Congruence and Similarity, Lesson 4, Properties of Similar Polygons. How does the scale factor of a dilation relate to the ratio of two of the corresponding sides of the preimage and the image? If you would like to find out the answer to this question, follow along and we'll revisit it at the end. If two polygons are similar, then their corresponding angles are congruent and the measure of their corresponding sides are proportional. So using the image below, we could say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. In that case, angle A is congruent to angle X, angle B is congruent to angle Y, and angle C is congruent to angle Z. We also know that side AB over side XY is equal to side BC over side YZ, which is equal to side AC over XZ. And if you're wondering what the symbol is in between the two triangles listed, that is the symbol to denote similarity. It's the similar symbol. Scale factor is the ratio of the lengths of two corresponding sides of two similar polygons. You can use the scale factor of similar figures to find missing measures. Identify the corresponding angles using the image below. Angle A would correspond to angle E. Angle B would correspond to angle F. Angle C would correspond to angle G. And angle D would correspond to angle H. So I know that angle A is congruent to angle E, angle B is congruent to angle F, angle C is congruent to angle G, and angle D is congruent to angle H. Identify the scale factor of the following similar figures. Looking at the sides of the figure, we can compare 15 and 10, 6 and 4, 12 and 8, and 9 and 6. Setting up the proportion 15 over 10, 6 over 4, 12 over 8, and 9 over 6. If we simplify, we will get that they all simplify down to 3 over 2. So they have a scale factor of 3 over 2. True or false? The polygons pictured below are similar. Comparing the sides, we have 18 over 30, 12 over 20, and 15 over 25, which sets up the proportion 18 over 30 equals 12 over 20 equals 15 over 25. If we simplify, 18 over 30, 12 over 20, and 15 over 25 all simplify to 3 over 5. So they have a scale factor of 3 over 5. This means that the polygons are similar, so it is a true statement. Given the figures below are similar, find the missing value for x. Round to the nearest hundredth if necessary. Setting up a proportion, we'll have side MN over side RS is equal to x over 25. Substituting in the values for MN and RS, we get the proportion 18 over 30 equals x over 25. Cross multiplying to solve, we get x times 30, or 30x, equals 18 times 25, or 450. So 30x equals 450. Dividing both sides of the equation by 30, we'll get x equals 15. Mr. Ahmed is a farmer and is planning out his new chicken run. He has a plot of land that he wishes to fence in for the black copper Moran chickens. The scale drawing of the run measures 10 centimeters long by 4 centimeters wide. The actual length of the top of the run is 24 meters. How many meters of fencing will Farmer Ahmad need? Let's let x represent the unknown width of the run. Then we can set up a proportion that would be 10 over 4 equals 24 over x. In order to solve for x, we can cross multiply 10 times x and 4 times 24. This creates the equation 10x equals 96. Divide both sides of the equation by 10 to get x equals 9.6. In order to find the perimeter or the amount of fencing that he'll need, we'll use the perimeter formula P equals 2L plus 2W. Substitute in L as 9.6 and W as 24. This gives us P equals 2 times 9.6 plus 2 times 24. Therefore, the perimeter is 67.2 meters. So Farmer Ahmed will need 67.2 meters of fencing. Back to our original question. How does the scale factor of a dilation relate to the ratio of two of the corresponding sides of the preimage and the image? The scale factor and the ratio are always equal. So remember, if two polygons are similar, then their corresponding angles are congruent and the measure of their corresponding sides are proportional. In the image shown, triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ, which means angle A is congruent to angle X, angle B is congruent to angle Y, and angle C is congruent to angle Z. That also means the sides are proportional, so side AB over side XY equals side BC over side YZ, and side equals side AC over side XZ. And remember, the similarity symbol is the one shown. That is our lesson for today. Thank you for joining us, and I hope you enjoyed it.